Hi, it's Brian again here at Truck Smart in Morrisville, Pennsylvania. I want to introduce you to the Ford Transit 350. This is the extended version, has a 148-inch wheelbase. It's also got 13 feet of cargo space and 79.5 inches wide, so you have a lot of room. This van is equipped with a 3.5-liter V6 engine along with a 10-speed automatic transmission for a smooth ride, easy comfort, and good on gas mileage as well. Come through here, see the interior. This comes equipped with a rear view camera for easy parking. Also vinyl interior. It has power, folding, and electric mirrors as well as telescopic steering column, electronic parking brake, power windows, as well as equipped AM/FM stereo and air conditioning. If we come down to the back, this van is equipped with a folding shelving system through Ranger. All aluminum, easy access. Come down this side, very large side sliding door. Again, easy access. This van also has a bulkhead with a sliding passageway from the passenger compartment into the cargo compartment. Also has LED lighting in the rear as well. Basically, that's it. That's the Ford Transit 350. If you need more information, you can contact us here at Truck Smart. Phone number is 215-946-7221. We'd be happy to go over anything about financing and extended warranties as well. Again, my name is Brian. Thank you for stopping by.